everyone, in this video we want to talk about the NA error in the Vlookup function. We talked about the Vlookup function in the previous videos, and we say that the Vlookup function will find the value in the first column of the table and return another value in tables that we specify. For example, here the column 2, column 3, column 4 and column 5 of the person with the ID number 3, which is in the row 4. So but in some cases, if for example you enter number 10, here we have the NA error because there is no number 10 in the column A. So this is the NA error. But however, if you go to the next sheet, sometimes if you enter a value here, for example number 2, you have number 2 here as well, but Vlookup function cannot find this value and return the NA error here. So why this happen? Sometimes if you download a Excel file from a software or from a web application, you may have this error for most of the time for the numbers, because in this application or in this Excel that downloaded from the website will return numbers that stored with the stored by the text value. So these values are not recognized from the Excel by the numbers. So the Excel thinks that this number 1 is not a number, it's just a text string. So it cannot find the number here because I entered the value here as a 2 value number. So what we have to do, we have to make a consistency between these two values, this value here in the H2 and the values in the column A. So you must change this value to the text value or change this value to the numbers value. So for example, if I want to change this to the text, you have to select this one and change it to the text, and then double click on the cell and enter it again. So right now these two number is stored as a text value here, and if you see there is a box here, and if you select this box, it's saying that the number stored as a text. So you can convert it to the number again here as well. So another way is if I convert this to the number, you can see it's back to the NA error. Another way is selecting this value in the first column and then select this box and then convert this value to the numbers. So you will have your Vlookup function now can find the number 2 in your column A. So this is the one thing. Another thing is the time that, for example, if I have 0 in my first numbers, and if I enter that, you can see in the case that it's a number, Excel changed this 0 number to the 1 and remove those zeros. So what we can do, we can change it to the text, and then now I am able to enter the 0 values at the first of my number. So this is just a text, it's not number anymore. And if you press double 0 and 1 here, you can see it cannot find by the Vlookup function. So you have to change this to the text as well, and then write 001 to find this value. Another thing is that, for example, when you download an Excel file, for example here you have a character here, and if you enter the A value, you will see the Excel find the A value. But sometimes when you download this Excel file from the website or application, there are some characters, for example a space, that are inserted at the first or at the end of some values. So or there is some character that cannot be recognized by the Excel and converted to the space. So if you have a space here, you see there is a value here, but Vlookup function cannot find this value A here and return the NA value. So what you should do, you need to remove these characters. You have to select this column, use Ctrl H button in your keyboard, and press find what at a space, for example, or the characters that you can see there is a redundant, you want to remove them, and then the replace with, you have to have anything, so it should be empty, and then replace all these characters. So if you replace this character, you will see your VLOOKUP function will find the value of the first column. So these are the three things that you have to remember when using the VLOOKUP function. First is the numbers that are sorted to the text, and the numbers need to have those double zero at the first, and the characters, redundant characters that may be placed in the cells. So thanks for watching this video. Until next, goodbye. In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Diako Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website, diako.co.uk.